In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reading mode in Brave browser. If you often read articles, blog posts, or long-form content online, reading mode can make your browsing experience much more comfortable. This feature removes unnecessary distractions such as advertisements, sidebars, pop-ups, and other visual clutter, allowing you to focus entirely on the content you're reading. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable reading mode in Brave browser and start enjoying a cleaner, more distraction-free reading experience. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has launched, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you'll enter a special configuration page that allows you to access experimental browser features. In the address bar, type brave://flags and press Enter. This page contains a variety of advanced features and settings that are available within Brave browser. While these options are generally intended for testing and customization purposes, they can also provide access to useful features that may not be enabled by default. After the Flags page loads, locate the search box near the top of the screen. Click inside the search field and type Reading Mode. This will quickly filter the available options and help you find the setting you're looking for without having to browse through the entire list. Once the Reading Mode option appears, click on the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see several choices available. Change the setting from Default to Enabled. This tells Brave that you want Reading Mode to be available while browsing supported web pages. After selecting Enabled, a relaunch button will appear near the bottom of the screen. Click this button to restart Brave browser and apply the change. The browser will close and reopen automatically, preserving your open tabs in the process. Reading mode can be especially helpful for studying, researching, reading news articles, or simply reducing distractions while browsing. It creates a cleaner presentation of the text and often makes long articles easier to read and follow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled reading mode in Brave browser and can now enjoy a more streamlined and comfortable reading experience whenever you visit supported websites. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.